Hello everyone, welcome back to Dev Portal, where we simplify programming concepts for you. Today we are diving into an essential topic in Java, typecasting and type promotion. To make it easier to understand, let us use an everyday life example involving pouring of liquids into different containers. Imagine you have different size containers in your kitchen. A small cup, a medium jar and a large bottle. You also have various amount of liquids to pour into these containers. This is similar to how data types works in Java. Let's start with implicit typecasting. Implicit typecasting happens automatically when you pour a small amount of liquid into a large container. For example, pouring water from a small cup into a medium jar or a large bottle. In Java, this is like converting a small data type into a large data type. Let's see an example. I will create 3 variables of different data type, a small cup, and I will assign value 100 to it. Then I will create a long variable of name medium jar and I will assign int value into this. Then float variable I will create of name large bottle and I will assign long value into it. In this example, we have a small cup of int type, a medium jar of long type, and a large bottle of float data type. The water from the small cup is automatically poured into the medium jar, and then from the medium jar, then it will automatically pour into large bottle without any issues. Let's see the output by printing those values into the console. I will first print small cup. Let me copy this line. Then medium jar and large bottle. Medium jar. As you can see, the value are converted automatically without any data loss. Now let's talk about explicit typecasting. Explicit typecasting is like pouring water from a large bottle into a small cup. You have to be careful or you might spill some water. In Java, this is like converting a large data type into a small data type. Let's see an example now. So I will first create a float of value 120.35f and I will assign this float value into a long variable. And then similarly I will assign long value to small cup, which is of int data type. Now let me try to print those values into the console. So as it is explicit typecasting, so programming need to convert the large data type into the small data type. I need to write the data type name inside a brackets. So this is long, so I need to mention long data type which I want to convert, and for this int. Here we explicitly cast water from a large bottle that is of float into the medium jar of long, and then from the medium jar into a small cup of int data type. This can lead to some water being spilled, or in programming terms it is a data loss. Notice how the fraction part is lost when casting from float to long. Explicit typecasting can result in data loss, so it should be done very carefully. Now let's discuss about type promotion. Type promotion in Java occurs when we mix different amounts of liquids and pour them together. Java automatically adjusts the container size to avoid spills and keep everything in order. Here is an example of typecasting using an arithmetic operation. It is like mixing different amount of liquids and pouring them into the appropriate container. I will create different types of data types. First, byte, small cup, and I will assign some random value into it. Then char measuring spoon, I will assign capital A. Notice the ASCII value of capital A is 65. Then int medium jar, and I will assign 5000. Then long large bottle, then float, and double. So now I will try to add those values, and in Java it will automatically do the type promotion. First, what I will do, I will add byte and int, and it will result in int A. I will store the value in int variable small cup plus medium jar. Then second will be my char plus int, and it will give me int b is equal to measuring spoon plus medium jar. Then third will be int plus long, which will result in long data type. Long C is equal to medium jar plus large bottle. Then next will be long plus float. It will result in float. Float D is equal to large bottle plus float, and finally float plus double, which will result in double. In this example, Java promotes the small data type to the large data type automatically during operation. It is like making sure you pour mixed liquid into a container that can hold the total volume. Here, byte is promoted to int, then char is promoted to int is promoted to long is promoted to float, and float is promoted to double. This ensures that operations are performed without data loss with maximum precision. Now let me try to print those values into the console. Sys out. First I will print A. Let me save and run this code. So here you can see the output of various values. To summarize, implicit typecasting automatically performed by the compiler, no data loss, converts a small type to the large type, like pouring water from a small cup to the large bottle. Explicit typecasting must be done explicitly by the programmer. Potential data loss will be there, converting a large data type to the smaller type, like pouring water from a large bottle into the small cup. Third is type promotion, happens automatically in expressions involving mixed data types, promotes small types to the large types to prevent data loss and maintain precision during operation, like mixing different amount of liquids to ensure they fit into the right container. Understanding these concepts is crucial for writing efficient and bug-free Java program. I hope this will give you the good understanding related to the typecasting and type promotion in Java. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming tutorials. See you in the next video.